Hello guys, today it's a firework time. It's firework. It's me, Jame Boy here. Sorry about that. And here's Big Man that invited me. Yeah, he invited me. Yep. You guys wanna look at some fireworks? Let's see who's better. Yeah, let's see who's better. I'm better. No, I'm better. Listen, okay? Alright, let's get going. Alright? So we got a lot of fireworks here, isn't that right, Big Man? Yes, I want to go play in there. Bro, it's dangerous. It's dangerous, buddy. It's dangerous, buddy. Alright. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you ready? Set. Back up, back up, back up. Go, 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 go. Oh, my God. Oh my God. I'm tired of this, alright? Did you mean to do that? Are those mine or yours? Oh, those are mine. Yeah, let me light them up. Wait, hold on. Let me light them up for you. Wait, I can't. That's why these are mine. Crazy. Oh, no! You're gonna win. You're gonna win. I'm scared. I'm scared. Look at this. This is so beautiful. What did I say? Yep, look at this. So beautiful. This is awfully beautiful. So beautiful. Back up, Big Man. Oh, God. So big. Oh, my God. No, I didn't pick up. But oh, that's my family. Alright. Wow. Is that Big Man? Is he shooting? Oh my God. I think he's getting over, so let's see. He thinks he's better. Yeah, he thinks he's better, but I'm better. Look at him. So tiny. Look at him. So tiny. Yep. That's him. Over there. Big Man. He's crazy. So crazy. Let's see what he got. Yeah, I built it. Okay, are you crying or what? Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so crazy. That was like absolutely crazy. Stop! No, don't you dare. Trying to tip it over. Let me come this way really quick. No, okay. Good luck. Dude. Oh my god! Did you get? You know what? You're gonna get revenge. What are you doing? What is this? This is so bad. It's not gonna do anything. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything. Look at this. This is bad. Ah! Was that you? Yeah, it was me. Come on, tip over that way. Were you trying to blow me up? Too bad. Oh! Whoa. Hey, this king doesn't even do anything. It's like a fuse, like something. Oh my god! That was so awesome. Bro, where is he? No, he's over there. Yo, why are you calling at me? Yo, he's good speed runner. All right. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. Hold on, let me put it. I think he left. Yeah, he did. Yep, his mom was knocking on the door. Alright, guys, bye.